Hello everyone, I'm TV Hari and today we're back with another room in the TryHackMe Hacker Holidays Day 5 Beach Bar. And let's read the description of this room. At the beach bar, even shell access is complimentary. The jukebox takes requests any kind. And let's see, I've already given this room a go. I'm going to reset progress. Okay, the lab machine is on, the attacker machine is on. I'm just going to add 1 hour because okay. So let's see. First, I'm connected to OpenVPN through my configuration, so I can find this thing out. Uh, okay, and the first thing we should do is, since I've already given this a go, and this is how you find the actual credentials here. The demo DJ login is enabled for soft opening. DJ/DJ, these are the credentials, and boom, we have the creds we need to log in. So DJ, and we're logged in. And then the first thing I got interested in was the import page. It's a YAML, or we can upload a YML set exported from another night. And for this, I've already prepared a reverse shell. Okay, let's just use our attack box IP here. You can use your Kali Linux if you want. The IP will be right here, or you click this one and then you can see your IP. And now you click load playlist. Wait, I forgot to start the listener here. We use our standard netcat, and boom, remote code execution confirmed, and we have a shell. And that is the first part. Now we're just going to use a simple technique to get the flag. Okay, now we can try that. And boom, we have the flag. So that is how you get the first flag. I'm going to just paste this in here. Actually, wait a minute, I'm not going to paste it yet. We'll just leave that there, and now I'm just going to run clear. Whoops, so that doesn't work clearly. uh, we'll just, I can't clear the flag out, so I'm just going to place like a block on that. And now let's go and we have to find the root flag. We found the user flag. Now let's look for the root one. So we have the root directory, but if we try, it doesn't work. So the next command I ran was, I found this one, a jukeboxd.py from inspecting. And if you look for it, we're going to have to do the reverse shell again. This was one of the problems I had. Oh, whoops. And here you go, we have the other one. Uh, Now we can find root. If we try to permission denied, and And so what I did next was look for jukeboxd.py. And while we got that, let's just look at the web app.py. Okay. Permission denied for app.py. Okay. And here we found this. So look, we have the backend password bitrate stream pass. Okay. Now we have the stream password, right? The stream password was what we discovered previously. I'm going to. Okay, so what I ran was systemctl show jukeboxd.service. And here we find something interesting. Okay, it's the I mean, beach bar jukebox streaming service. We find a password here, which is exactly what we need to perform privilege escalation. On close inspection, yes. So here, look at this. Sunset Spritz 2024. And this is the password we got from jukeboxd.py, which is what we require. So I just copied that. And now, with that, I could try to switch to sudo. I mean, okay, and it asks us for the password. Boom, we're signed in. Let's check it. And we have access to jukeboxd.py. So let's do, and we're in root. And there you go, we have root.txt. Boom, we have the flag. Now let's cat. And those are both of the flags. And let's first copy the root flag. So let's cover what we've done as I paste these flags. First, we found mode code execution from the parser, and then we did privilege escalation by reusing a credential that we found from a jukeboxd.py. We used a systemctl to find out what jukeboxd.py's services were and found out the password that we required. Oops, sorry, I've copied the wrong flag here. And we finished the room. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. And if you did, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And if you want more walkthroughs, keep following for more. I will be releasing walkthroughs for all the other challenges on all the other days. Thank you.